Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Mico account. So let's get started. Open the Mico application. Now choose any one of the options to log into your Mico account. In this video, I'm going to log in my Mico account using my number. Tap on it. Now enter your phone number. And then tap on the next button. Now enter your password. And then tap on the send button once again. And this is how you can log into your Mico account. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.